Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial, we'll be drafting basic sleeve, and this sleeve I promise you is going to give you that perfect understanding on drafting basic sleeve. And without wasting so much time, let's get straight into the video, and I will see you at the end of the video. So for this tutorial, I'll be using my pattern paper for it, and the first thing I'm going to be doing is to draft a straight line to serve as our starting point. You can skip this if the starting point of your sleeve of your pattern is straight. So once I am done with that, from there I'm going to go ahead and insert my upper round sleeve measurement divided by 2. So this is more like the fullest part of your measure of your sleeve. And then from the starting point, I'm going to take the length of my sleeve. So let's assume we are marking for a short sleeve. So my short sleeve is at 10 inches. So once I am done with that, from the starting point, I am coming down by 4 inches for the sleeve height cap. You can do 4.5 if you're on a bigger side. And then at this point, I am coming in by 4 inches. So I'll go ahead and connect the line that we marked at 4.5 inches. So once I am done with this, I'm going to go ahead and um measure whatever I have here, and then I will divide it into 2, and I'll make a point there under that 4 inches that we marked. So that's where you're going to make the point. Then we're going to go ahead and mark. I'll also replace that round sleeve measurement that we marked earlier at this point. So you just divide your own into 2, I mean. So you're going to connect from this point to this point and then to the other point. So for this connection, we're going to be using our curve ruler to do this. And then the next one, we're going to be using our freehand. I'm going to show you guys the perfect way to use your freehand to this connection. So please keep watching. So I'm going to go ahead and connect this, and make sure you find a perfect curve before connecting this. If you haven't subscribed, please do well to hit on the subscribe button, join the family. And then to my old subscribers, I say thank you very much for also your support so far. So after connecting it, you just blend in that so that it's not sharp. And then at this side, I'm going to insert my lower sleeve measurement divided by 2, and then I'll connect this point. So if if you're working for a long sleeve, all you have to do is to measure the length of your sleeve and then insert the appropriate round sleeve measurement and each area. So I'm going to just measure to assume that we are also going to work for a long sleeve. So I'll make a mark there and then attach my round sleeve measurement divided by 2, that more like the wrist measurement divided by 2, and then I'll connect this point coming from that place. And that's it for this sleeve for you while using your pattern curve or your master curve. So this is for the short, and then this is the longer version of this sleeve. So you're going to go ahead and cut this out. Then we are going to work on do the same, but this time we're going to be using our freehand for those that don't have a curve ruler. So for this, we're going to also go ahead and mark a starting point as well. And then from there, I'm going to go ahead and mark, just like we did for the other one. I'm going to go ahead and mark the length of this sleeve, and also for short sleeve, remember what we did for the long one. Then I'll come down for the 4 inches. If you want to, if you're working with a longer sleeve, extend your measurements just like I mentioned earlier. And then at this point, I'm marking my round sleeve measurement divided by 2, just like I said. So I'll make a point there. And then I'll come in from here, from this. The next thing we're going to be doing is to curve this, just like you want to, as if you want to write a S that is long. Just use your free hand. You see the way when you look at the curve, you see that it's looking like S. That's exactly how you're going to mark this. So from the starting point, you're going to come in by like 2 inches, and then you curve it to meet where the round sleeve measurement divided by 2. Then you are going to connect the other one divided by 2 as well, and you are going to go ahead and connect your lines. And that's it for freehand if you're going to be using a freehand method. And I hope you find value in this Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.